Alright guys, I'm back. Better than ever. Alright, this is my CBR 300R. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is. But I've been looking for this bike for about 2 years now. So I'm pretty hyped about it. I rode it for about 5 minutes and I was like, I better do more research. I've got it up to about 5 miles an hour. So, let's hope I don't kill myself. And let's get it. But yes, I think I got it at a pretty good price. The only thing is wrong with this right there and right there. That's it. But it don't really matter because my first bike, after I really learned, this bike's got to go. But Honda is my fave. I'm not gonna really show details. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it looks like. But you know what? Let's see what time it is. Let's go for a ride. I couldn't resist. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I always start it in neutral. I feel like that's better for the bike. I've got the basics down of turn signals, headlights, things like that. So let's get it. But yeah, I did pretty good fun with this bike, to be honest. Okay. Oh, rookie mistake already. Kickstand. Huh. This is... Wow. That was not that bad. I am staying on the little roads, obvious reasons. I'm not gonna get a big show today. Man, this is my first real ride from watching YouTube for, yeah, probably about 2 years. So it's not that bad for me. It's so embarrassing to stall. It really is. Hey, I'm pretty excited though. I know y'all can't see it, but I can't stop smiling. All I want for Christmas in my motorcycle. Now turn back around because I ain't about to go on these big roads. So let's get it. Whew. that was not safe. Did not stop good. Hope that's not too much wind, but it's really hot in that helmet with not getting much speed. Still having little problems shifting, but ain't that noobish style? Hell yeah. Yep, see, this is noobish style. Can't tell if it's in neutral. Yes, I do need to see that, because I don't know right now. See, this is very embarrassing. See, the damn bike won't even start. Whew, it's hot. It's getting hot in here. There goes my balls. Oh my God. I hate whenever it stalls on my balls. There we go. I'm still not used to hitting a back brake. But let's explore a little more. Oh shit, noobish style. I can't fucking see the damn fog. First turn. Let's get it. $47. Holy shit. That's pretty good for a 51. Good thing I got my helmet on, because this really ain't that scary, but at the same time it is, because it's my first time. Dude. Starting off in first gear really fucks me up. Let's just say that. I don't even, the gear, still trying to figure out which one I mean. But it will all come to me. I promise. It already has. And them cars like that, man, they sure do scare me. Dude, this is how I dreamed it. Holy Jesus. I think I'll be getting up in like 5th gear for no reason. I know that. I don't even know if this bike has 4th gear, so please don't listen to what I say. But I'm really getting that first shift down. I know that little 5 minutes that I ride, I couldn't even get it nowhere. It felt like I was just fucking pushing it with my feet. But now I'm getting it, boy. Ah, fuck it. I'm still a little shaky on that.